Are you tired of charging your iPhone 3 times a day? The problem isn't your battery, it's hidden system settings draining your power behind your back. In this video, I'll show you exactly which settings to turn off to make your battery last significantly longer. 1. Background App Refresh. This feature lets apps run and update even when you aren't using them, causing massive drain. The fix: go to Settings, General Background App Refresh, and turn it off, or manually disable it for apps you don't need updates from constantly. 2. Location Services. Many apps track your GPS 24/7. The fix: go to Privacy and Security Location Services. Set every app to while using the app only. If an app doesn't need your map data, set it to Never. This is one of the biggest battery killers. 3. Auto Brightness. Your phone constantly uses sensors to adjust the screen, wasting power. The fix: go to Accessibility, Display and Text Size, and disable auto brightness. Also, enable dark mode. It uses way less energy on OLED screens. 4. System Services Scanning. Your phone scans for networks even when Wi-Fi is off. The fix: go to Privacy, Location Services, System Services, and disable Networking and Wireless. This stops unnecessary background scanning. 5. The Weak Signal Trap. In low service areas, your phone burns battery trying to stay connected. The fix: if you have 1 bar or less, toggle on airplane mode until you're back in a good area. This saves a huge amount of power. These 5 steps will completely change your battery life. But trust me, Part 2 has the real secrets. Hit the like button, subscribe, and check the description for the next part. See you there.